have the money. I'm very capable of it.
Hey, but the money is it?
Don't worry. See this bag? It's money that is inside.
Hey, chief.
I'm ready to spend on you.
Chief.
Hey, homie, it's the Chegun one of Woman the Kingdom. Hey, baby, don't do like that again. We are on the road, bro.
Jesus is Lord.
Yeah. Where's the money? Wait. Just go. Where's the money now? Sabulu.
Hey.
Sabulu.
It's on a bad market now.
But what do you wait? Look at it.
No, they call us for this.
I don't even buy house.
Let's go.